So this sculpture, I did it a while ago. When I'm looking at the camera, it looks much more golden. If you were to zoom in, you would see a lot of blues because I put a patina on it, and then I put a little bit of wax. But I think it ended up kind of cool. I think the only thing is that I don't like the bluish tinge here because all the paint, the verdigris that I put kind of sunk down and stained it a bit. But I think it's a very interesting sculpture. This is a very provocative sculpture. I think a lot of people didn't realize what it was, but I thought it was kind of funny, and at the same time it says a lot about today's society. But I've always been interested in this sort of subject, the erotic nature of art, and that's what this piece is. Remember, this is terracotta. You as an artist can pick whatever you want as a terracotta. If I lift up the sculpture, and by the way, this is kind of heavy, and I just turn it this way really quick, you will see that this is that red clay. And you can see the holes that I drilled in using a drill just to vent it out. Because remember, the sculpture itself is hollow inside. That's the process that I do, is I scoop out everything and then I vent it out somehow. That's what you need to do if you're going to fire these sculptures in the kiln. And this one has been fired. It's as solid as it can possibly get. It can be broken. You drop it on the floor, it'll be broken into pieces. But the thing to remember is that these are incredibly durable. These could last for thousands of years. That's how good they are. And they don't rust. They don't do much of anything other than if you break them. When I fired this, it only came out with a few cracks. Right down here, there's one tiny little crack in the base. So today, what we're going to do with this sculpture, we are going to scan this and we are going to be putting it up on Thingiverse and my Patreon page, ready for download.